Hello guys, today I'm going to show the assembly process for the Helmer drawer unit on casters from IKEA. So this is my personal experience. From the user's manual, you only need the screwdriver, but you can also use a drill, and I use the hammer, but that's something that's not recommended. It is my personal preference. So first, I'm going to unbox the unit as it came from IKEA through Amazon. It is important to put the box on the floor and then cut the tapes. Open the box carefully and take out the content. Try not to bend the material because it is flexible, so try to keep it straight as it comes from the box. Take out the user's manual. It is very important to make a list of all the content to make sure that everything that's needed came in the box. As you can see, comes with a bag. We have 4 casters, reference 1955-64, 6 handles 1035-18, 12 screws, reference 1069-17, 12 screws, reference 1005-33, 6 paper labels, reference 1165-73, 2 lateral panels, 6 foldable drawers, 1 piece for the top of the drawer unit, 2 metallic bases, 12 metallic bars, and finally the back of the drawer unit. You can see that inside of the bag there are 6 ports that you have to take out. Those are ports of the drawers. The step number 1 is to position both sides of the drawer unit on the floor and start installing the metallic bars first in one of the sides and then in the other side. Insert the metal bars into the openings as shown in here. Note that the right side is inserted first with your own hands. Those bars are inserted with pressure. Note that 6 of the bars have 1 hole for one of the lateral sides and the other 6 bars have 2 holes for the lateral side, so they are not the same. Insert the metal bars on the other side and pay close attention to the direction of the bars and which side to insert first. Be careful with the position and the type of metal bar that you're using. The use of the hammer was not recommended, but I found it useful. Just be careful not to bend the rails. Insert the metal bases into one of the sides until it clicks, and then insert the other base into the other side as it clicks, and I'm showing in this demonstration. Slide the back of the unit as it is shown in this demonstration and bend the lock using the screwdrivers. Remember that this is the back of the unit. You have to take out those pieces. Insert the top of the unit and slide it back into position. You will hear like a click, and then fold the metal lock using the screwdriver. So you have to push that piece of metal until it bends and it will hang on the other pieces. Now place the unit in a horizontal position and screw the metal bases and the casters using the screws reference 106917. You can use your screwdriver or the drill. Now it is time to build the drawers. So fold the drawers, but pay close attention to make sure that the rails face outwards, because those rails will be in contact with the bars that we installed in the first steps. So make sure that the drawers rails are bended outwards. Esto viene así. Sí, es como viene acá. Now insert the back of the drawer and bend the metal locks with the screwdriver. Those metal locks, you have to bend them with a screwdriver. Secure the drawers, and once assembled, place them inside the drawer unit. Don't forget to install the handles using the screwdriver reference 100533 and the handles of reference 103518. Place the paper labels by sliding them into the slots on front of the drawers. Now your Helmer drawer unit is completely assembled. You can now use it to store folders and documents. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that this is useful. And if you like this free tutorial, remember to like, leave your comment, share with your friends, your girlfriend, your pet, your dog, your cat. And also in the description of this video, you'll find my Amazon's associate link from IKEA, but you can order it through Amazon as well. And it will come to you in a box the same way you saw at the beginning of this video. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.